uniforms, health and nutritional supplements. So we have been there in Sundarban with the help of patrons and benefactors like you for a long time. And then this thing happened on 20th of May, this super cyclone Amphan, and we found that we are back to square one. Sundarban was again damaged, again destroyed. And this is our Facebook page. I invite all of you to visit our page, like it, and see whatever activities we are doing. All the activities we could do was courtesy you only. Team Python, Kishore Babu, Abhijit Babu, Dr. P.P. Roy, and everyone, all the participants of the workshops, they have donated handsomely. We would always be grateful for this help you have forwarded to the people of Sundarbans. We have already contacted 6 camps. Currently, right now, our volunteers are there. Senior doctors like Dr. M.K. Das, who is the president of Cardiological Society of India. They are distributing relief at Sagar Deep. Most of you must be knowing that Sagar Deep was one of the most affected place during this Amphan. We have helped about 10,000 people already, courtesy these camps. We have donated useful things like tarpaulin, then dry food, medicines, etc. We have given mosquito nets, masks. We have also tried to tackle the the COVID crisis. So we have donated also sanitizers and soaps. Right now, our people are there. They wanted to join, but I don't think the network is supporting them at Sagar Deep. They are in the interior of Sagar Deep. Actually, they are at a place called Baman Khali near the Muriganga River. So these are some pictures which we have. This was at our last camp, which took place in the interior of Pathar Pratima block in Sundarbans. This is a video which shows it took us 1 hour to cross the river from Ramganga to Pathar Pratima. We took a launch to cross the river. This is the Botchura river. We could see on both sides how the mangrove has been destroyed, how the ghats has been destroyed. This is our photographer. Our team members. This is a video which shows the people who received help courtesy Team Python and other benefactors. We have already helped 10,000 people and spent around 11 lakhs rupees. We intend to build 30 permanent homes in the interior of Sundarban in Sandesh Khali in a village called Ghunte, which is in the famous Tiger Reserve, the Shamsher Nagar Tiger Reserve. We'll be going there on 1st July. Some of you might be knowing that 1st July is celebrated in our country as Doctor's Day. This is another video. Our members, last week, we went to Sridhar Nagar in Pathar Pratima. It took us 6 hours to reach from Calcutta by car. Then we had to cross the river. Finally, we had to walk for about 2 kilometers. And this is some image. This is the ghat which has been destroyed at Ramganga. This is a community kitchen which we ran about 250 meals during lunchtime were fed to the affected people at Parbatipur and Projaghari in Jharkari Bazar in the Basanti block. Nutritious and healthy food was served. All this could have happened because of the blessings we received from people like Team Python and all the other people who have come forward to help us. This is how food was being served. Hello. Our members are there. Dr. Khan is there. Mr. Sanjay Hom Chaudhary are there. Will you like to say something, sir?
Have they been able to connect?
I can see in the. Am I audible?
Yes.
Was I audible to
Yeah,
everyone?
you are audible.
Okay. Mr. Sanjay Hom Chaudhary is there. Sanjay da, please join in. I think he needs to unmute himself. Sanjay da, can you unmute yourself?
Sanjay Hom Chaudhary, could you please unmute yourself? I can't unmute you from here. You have to click on the unmute button. I can see you. Okay, I can't really. Yeah, I can see you, but you have to unmute yourself.
Touch your screen, sir, and then the unmute button will come.
To go to the bottom of your screen, you will find the unmute button. There's a microphone symbol. I think we have lost him. Have we?
I think actually they are, as I was telling, they are in
I think
the.
the connectivity.
No, the
is a problem.
connectivity, connectivity seems to be good. The video is okay. Could you just touch the bottom of your screen? If you move the mouse to the bottom of your screen, or if you're using a phone, I think you should find the unmute. There's a button which looks like a microphone. No, I don't think. I think we lost connection with him right now. Shobit Khan should also be there. Sanjay also looks very familiar. He must be from my school. It seems there are quite a few people from my school out here. Shobit, I know is my schoolmate.
Hello.
Hello.
This is.
Hello,
Shobit,
Subhadra.
Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can.
Can you hear us?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Subhadra, could you unmute yourself? Yeah. Can you hear us?
Yes, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Bamanbadi at Sagar.
So could you present? If you go to the click, or do you?
Subhadra,
Oh, you don't have to present. Just.
can you hear us?
Yes, we
No,
can
we can
hear
hear
you.
you.
Everyone can hear you. Our Vice President Dr. M.K. Das.
We are at Bamonbari at Sagordip.
Yeah.
Bamonkhali at the Sagordip Island. Our today's second program, second Amphan relief camp is going on. This is the interior of Sundarban.
Before you go ahead, could I just make a request? Whoever is
Who will
presenting
get
right
the benefit?
now,
We
could
are
you
just getting ready
stop
for
presentation.
our second camp today. In the morning time, we have completed distribution in one camp, and now the second camp, the distribution is going on. The distribution materials are here, and there are lots of other materials behind it. And the people who will be distributed, they are coming. They have started to come. Here is the people of Sundarban Sagordip, very much affected by Amphan, And these are the real needy people who should get the support. From Nishabda Ongikar Welfare Association, we are trying to reach to the real needy people who are affected by this devastating cyclone Amphan.
Can I make a request to Arshia, Grace, or whoever is presenting? Yeah, now we should be able to see the speakers.
We are very much thankful to Python for giving us the support to carry out this kind of program. Very much in the inner part of Sundarban. Now we are camp things, and we are doing the things in the Baman Khali, that is in the deeper part of the Sundarbans, and in this is in Sagardeep, and we are really once again extending our very much regards as well as thanks to Python for giving us the support at the right moment. Thank you very much for this Amphan relief and all the arrangements and encouragement given by Python.
Thank you, sir. You are doing a great job.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Actually, we must thank you. You are doing the real work.
We must thank you. You are doing the real job. You people are doing the real job.
Noble job you are
Yes.
doing.
Yes.
Hello, this is Raj Chajar,
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
Maman Khali.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
We are
Welcome,
very,
sir.
very grateful to Python Group, and we extend our support wherever Python needs us. Will be there. Thank you, Python, for all help you have given.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Not disturb you any longer. Please carry ahead with the great work you're doing. You are highly audible.
Yes, Hoymantadi, you are audible.
And just before signing off, you carry on the good work. I came to know about Python Cursi EU, that it is a cutting edge technology. Just one thing I want to assure everyone, we have got the final master list and we will be sending you the receipts very soon. Everyone will receive the receipt in their email in PDF format. Please rest assured, within a week, everyone will get all their receipts. Thank you once again, Abhijit Babu, Kishore Babu, PPR sir, everyone and everyone.
PPR sir ta ke? PPR sir bolche.
Actually, some of us, Abhijit da will understand, I guess. So anyway, so thank you everyone, Team Python.
তো এখনই রেখে এলাম।
Hoymantadi, please mute your microphone.
And thanks everyone for giving us the opportunity to help the people of Sundarbans. So you carry on with your good work and keep blessing us. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Chakraborty. We are very happy to have you with us. I mean, this is Abhijit Kargupta.
Yeah,
Yes.
I have very much a challenge, but now I have picked up certain things courtesy you all.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
for joining us.
sir, so much. Thank you so much. You people are doing the real job.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, so we are coming back. Well, now I will try to summarize what we got in return. In days, approximately 30 hours of lectures, and thereafter endless hours of animated discussion. In some days, till 1:30 a.m. at night, and again back on 7:30 a.m. in the morning in our WhatsApp group. Amazing learning community more amazing teachers. Arunabh Adhikari, Abhijit Kaur-Gupta, and Anando Dasgupta. The triple A combination, just out of words, honestly don't know how to describe their absolute grasp over the subject. More importantly, their endless will to teach us Python. Once again, I request you to mute your microphone because it is disturbing. Please mute your microphone. On 12th June, at the first technical session, Ananda performed an easy and difficult task by imparting the flavor of what one can do with Python, its evolution to a very large and powerful programming language, and thus creating a passion on Python. For a wide spectrum, we discussed Turtle, a Python-like feature, like a drawing board. On day two, we have learned how to download and install Python, how to run a simple code on idle, numbers, variables, strings, and few logical expressions. On day two, Abhijit began the beginning. We showed how to download Python, starting from downloading Python and ending with talking about numbers, variables, strings, and few logical operations. So let us come on day three. Day three started with Arunabh's beautiful introduction on logical if structure, for and while loops, and list comprehension technique with simple examples. Later, list, tuple, dictionary, and set are discussed thoroughly. Slicing was introduced with simple examples. Methods and attributes are elaborated very nicely. The functions like range was introduced and applied in a code. Various other functions were discussed as well. Writing in a file was an essential part of this lecture too. He delivered all technicalities with such an ease that participants went on learning Python without any hiccups. On day 4, Arunabh dived deeper. He discussed functions and modules. Basic modules like built-ins, math, CMath, time, random, and RE module were introduced with a nice code and later discussed with examples. We learned about how to import such modules. Using a Python simple code, he demonstrated how to calculate pi. It was amazing to those who are new in programming. Later, a discussion on user-defined functions convinced a beginner to write his code in a more simple fashion. Day 5 starts with a beautiful turtle draw of Fibonacci sequence by Ananda, followed by a brief introduction on fractals. We learned about quadrangle and beautiful implementation of turtle drawing of fractal geometry made the presentation spectacular. The NumPy module was discussed thoroughly the advantages of using NumPy were clearly pointed out. The talk ended with a very important discussions on the process of importing NumPy, its advantages and disadvantages. Rather, there is no disadvantages using NumPy. The discussions on NumPy array was continued on day 6 by Ananda, starting from D-type of an array to reshaping. The slicing of an array was thoroughly discussed. Numerical differentiation were discussed in 3 separate methods, namely forward, backward, and central difference formula, and corresponding errors were estimated. It was shown that the central difference formula was most accurate in calculating numerical differentiations. Later, SciPy module was introduced and demonstrated. On second half, Arunabodha took over to introduce us to SymPy module with various examples in Jupyter Notebook with his usual expertise. Day 7 was the day of Abhijit. He explained the plotting module Matplotlib with all necessary details. Starting from simple 2D graph, he explained how to plot bar graph, histogram plot, pie chart, etc., etc. The ornamental decoration was also explained with various examples. Fourier series was also explained in this context. Solution of ordinary differential equation was discussed in much detail and plotted to show its nature. We also learned about how to load a data file and how to plot. Most exciting was the contour plot and 3D graph plotting. 8th day with Abhijit was for geographers mainly. Base map was discussed in detail. The power of Python was again proved with the plotting of latitude-longitude-wise map of different countries. Topological plot was also explained. The second part of Abhijit's lecture was not only interesting but exciting. Also, as he discussed image processing. For participants who were interested in image processing, particularly who were passionate photographers, enjoyed the session very much. Discussions on how to manipulate different color channels are elaborated nicely using a real image. A colorful, enjoyable session indeed with lots of pictures. Thank you, Abhijit, for entertaining us in disguise of course. Later, Arunabodha discussed about file handling by NumPy and rudimentary statistics with a very common student-related examples. Later, card fitting was discussed in an elegant way. On day 9, Abhijit took up pandas. The 3 data structures, namely series, data frame, and panel, were discussed and their applications were made in COVID-19 cases. Later, Arunabodha established the discussion in much detail, analyzing the COVID-19 data in a more scientific way. The presentation was excellent. And day 10. Day 10 was not to show what Python can do, rather what Python cannot do. Fortunately, Ananda proved that Python can do everything, even in machine learning. Neural network was beautifully explained by him, and later application using Python was done. The presentation was so lucid that it claimed appreciation of veteran expert like Arunabodha. So, this is the mere listing of what we have learned during last 10 days. Python was made palatable for the beginners. Python was made easy for the rest of the participants by the experts of this field in this corner of India. We hope all of us enjoyed a wonderful learning experience in a conductive, encouraging atmosphere created by our AAA resource persons. Thank you all for everything. I now request Professor Anando Dasgupta to take over to discuss some new topic. Professor Dasgupta, are you available now?
Kishore, I have a question.
Yes.
Before Ananda starts, I mean, will Shumon present something today?
Yes, if Suman wants, then he can
Actually, we
present.
want to know about the composition of our participants. Somebody should tell us the kind of participants that we have, with the backgrounds of the participants, where from they were connected. This sort of things will, we want to know if somebody tells us.
Sure. Please, Suman, please start your presentation. Suman is here.
Shumon is supposed to talk at the end, he thought.
I heard so.
So
That's
we
why.
can begin with other things.
Yeah. But Ananda is present here.
If we plan it to
Yeah,
keep
I
it in
was
the
here.
lab,
Shumon doesn't seem to be.
last session, there's no problem.
Hello, am I audible?
Logged in as.
Yes.
Yeah, he is. Yeah. You are audible.
Shumon is there, okay.
You were audible. So Shuman is the other PFC or what?
Shuman, right now we can't hear you.
Do you hear me? I think I am audible.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
Shuman.
Actually, I wanted to show some characteristics of the with the pandas and try to show the file and some commands and the structures also. So should I discuss right now or I will discuss later? At the
You
time
are
of
free to
dedicated.
discuss. You are free to discuss, Suman.
You can discuss now. We can discuss now.
Okay.
Shumon, you can put your video off and presentation on.
Huh.
He is searching.
Yes. Video is off. Is my screen visible?
Not yet.
Not
yet.
Nothing.
Shuman, have you started presentation? You have to
Yes,
click
yes.
present now.
I have just given that. I yet to start.
We are waiting.
Oh,
Apparently nothing is happening.
I know. Now I just put the share. I think it will appear soon.
Yes, it's coming.
Yes, Shuman.
Yes.
Now we can see your screen. Yeah,
Ah.
definitely. Spider.
Actually, I heard something. People asked a different question. How can use this thing or like that? We have different platforms also. Spider, Jupyter Notebook, Interpreter Mode also. I just like to present in Spider window. In the Spider part, we have actually 3 windows. One is scripting window. This is the part. This is console, which we can use for the interpreter mode. And this portion we can use the variables. We can see the variables. So different people ask.
Shuman, just a minute, please click the hide button at the bottom of the screen.
Hide. Oh, hide. Is it correct?
Is it? It is correct.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
no.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So actually, we have a command. I just take 2 files. I just show you that in the directory I have taken this Python workshop list where we have the participants, and there is another file. There is actually some data with some cars. I mentioned why it is there. Actually, in Spider part, some people ask how can you open the file. So my suggestion is that you can take import OS, and Spider we have a very nice thing that we can execute some portions of the program. Say here we have written import OS, import pandas and PD. So I can just select it and run it. It will be observed in the console. Now we can see what is our present directory. By the command present working directory, I actually changed this thing. We can go to the mother directory also by giving that PD command. So you need to see that this is the path. Now if I want to go to the working directory and want to take the file now we can use this command os.chdir change directory and give the file path. And the easiest way is that you can go to the file, take the properties and copy the path location. Copy it and paste it to the window. Sorry. Oh. Now you can see the present directory. So you can take a file. I just take this file, CSV file. One CSV file, and actually our data of the students are in really Excel file. So I have just take the file pd.read_csv. This was actually discussed by Abhijit Kaur sir. Now I mentioned one thing later, card data 1, I have copied this thing with deep equal to true. This is a deep copy. When we copy the file in a new data file, there will be 2 type of copies, shallow copy and deep copy. If we use the shallow copy, then the problem is that if we change something in the file, it will be changed to the original file. And when it is in deep copy, then original file, the card data, that actually car samples.csv, this is intact, and we are taking the new file. Now I want to take the information of the file. I am just showing this thing because I will just use this data for our participants data. Now here actually we get range index, that is 0 to 5001. We have 5000 data here in the row, and if I want to know the columns, what are the columns, we can use the columns here. We find these are the columns. There are many columns, so it is actually jumbled up, and we can get the information. and that is very useful. That is also gives you all the type of data and entries. If there is something non-null, etc., that will be discussed in the last part when we discuss that participation list. There are different things, object in 64. All those things were discussed by Abhijit Kaur very well. I don't want to repeat this thing, and that is also memory part. Now I use one thing that I want to. Now in the car we have one thing, price. The price list is there. So I want to use another plot that is actually observed in a Seaborn. It actually plots the span of the data, and you just enlarge the window, very large, and all the data is actually in outside portion. This is a box really, but I can see the box. You obviously you can't see all those things. That will be also observed in some power PS, that is power of the thing. Now this is the portion. Actually you have cut down the total data. How? We have taken the year of registration within this part. Price is actually greater than 100. All these on the dollar, because this is basically American data. Card data price below that, and power PS greater than 10 to less than 500. So we can just execute this line. There is some missing of the part price, etc. etc.
The bracket has not ended. There's an open bracket at the end.
Huh?
There's a square bracket at the end of your line.
This is a fast bracket probably. No, at this. Sorry.
Yeah,
Yes.
No. I guess you just took part of the thing, wrong part.
Price of
the whole
data.
command.
Huh? One ampersand, this and this and this and this and this card data. That should be there. Oh, sorry. So actually we can card the data and find out the clarity of this thing. We can follow the syntax right now. One second. No. Okay. Just a part. I just go to the other data. Actually, the our students' data, or our participants' data. Actually, here we have in the same directory. So I use that command. Read data. This was the file name actually. We have written as data1 pd. Now if I just run data1 info, you will find the thing, and it is a huge column. Now we see the fields. Range index is given 0 to 250, actually 251, 250 participants, including us actually. Data columns, name, timestamp, score, name, email, affiliation, designation, WhatsApp number, and now this thing. This is actually came from the Google form. All the data given here, not only that, it actually fills up all the cells, also fill the heading also. So we plan to drop this part. Just see the thing, we are taking the list, we locate these things: timestamp, score, name, email, affiliation, designation, WhatsApp number. These only automatically, that part will be and if you just see df2 .info, I think it takes time, but
Is it running or walking?
no, it will. So yes, now we have these columns only: timestamp, score, email, name, etc., etc. And now one thing is that when we have the data, we have taken the data, you can see the data in File Explorer and also Variable Explorer. Now this is df2. You can see the file directly. That is actually happened in the Spider. These are the fields. Now see index that was given directly: timestamp, score, name, email, affiliation, designation, WhatsApp number. Now what is the score? Score is nothing but a spurious field given in the part. Now we can just cross the data. It is given there. So I am not using this thing. So we can also drop this score column. That is not very useful. So I just take another file df3. For that I just execute the line. So df3 has been created. We just take df3. So it is there. df3.info will give us all the informations. Okay. Now timestamp, name, email, affiliation, designation, etc. And now if I want to know what are the type of objects actually in the field, we have this type, this statement: df3 get dtype counts. I use this thing. It observed that date time 64, because the timestamp actually given in date time format. So date time 1, there are 4 objects. One is actually integer, int1, and dtype like that. And this was mentioned that what is the size? Size is actually row into column. We have now actually 6 columns, and we have to, you can see it here. Data frame 251 rows, 6 columns, so 251 cross 6. This is the thing. Now I can see, if I want to know what are the data, we have find out some data that is head, that is from top data. These are data. Actually dot 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 means this part is omitted because they can take all those things. And similarly df tail will give us some lower command. You see that 250, 249, 248, 247, such 6. Now, if I want to know a particular name from the column at the entry 249, you can find out that in 249 we have one name, Abjkesar Kaur. So we just find it out there. The name is there because I don't know where is name. Name is that column name. I am giving the column name, give the row number, and give the thing. And we have another command also, I at, because the columns also are numbered. So we can find out 249 and 4th column by I at command, and it shows us the person is junior research fellow. Now I want mention one thing. I have one idea I observed when I on the screen asked many questions, and the name was found that Dumbo Hippo 2031. I don't know who is there. I can find it out. I just give a variable name, and from the command email, if it is equal to that, then show us. And I find it out what is just print duf, that's a variable, and the name is that person is Rito Priyo Pradhan. He has that particular email. We can find out, say we have in our cases we have some teachers who have designation of assistant professor. We can find out how. Just give a variable assistant teacher df3 apply. We are using the lambda function. If designation is equal to assistant professor, then put true, otherwise false. And I found whether it is true, count the true by length, and that will give the number of assistant professor present in our list. I just execute these two parts, and they are actually 54. Not really 54, actually this field actually matches with this thing. Similarly, if I want to find out the name of that, then get the particular part, and this part df3 designation values count. Rather print df3 designation
Shumon, you are not audible anymore.
I know. I'm just execute the part. What is that? This is actually a composition. The field they have given there, assistant professor, actually I have matched the string. There is 54. Now student 29. Research scholar 16, and assistant professor again, because there is a problem. Associate professor, this is given in the upper scale, upper, now it is total given upper, so it takes another field. Just see the structure actually in our attendance. PhD students were there, BSc student, manager, associate professor, etc. All these things actually they are in our list. I can also print of the designation work or not.
Shuman, quickly sum up the things because
Yes. I have just at the last comment. This is actually the situation. I can get the column wise that the structure. If I print this thing, there is a thing. So actually these are the situations, Now I mentioned one thing, that is when you give the feedback form, then please fill up feedback form in proper way, and there should not be any miscommunication, because what we have typed, that will be appeared in the directly the certificate. So you see that there is something, same field are given in different format. So always look after that, give the pure name properly, institution name, etc., etc. If you put it blank, then it will be blank. Then one thing is that just finishing that, you'll find that I'm just showing one thing. Here it was mentioned with Parvukto sir, that is when we have no data, it will be automatically given nan, etc. This is actually property of the Python. It will fill up the data. So this is actually our structure of the participants, which we are getting informations rather using the pandas in the Python workshop. Thank you.
Thank you, Suman. It's a
I have
real
a question. How many of our participants are connecting from outside Calcutta and its surrounding?
Actually, I didn't search this thing. I can search and give you the report.
Do we have any knowledge that how many outside Calcutta surrounding connecting from? Oh, I see.
Outside of India,
Oh, how many of them?
probably 6 or 10. It's between 10.
Outside India and from various other states of India?
Other states, probably 15. I have to check it.
Oh, that's great.
Actually, there are not so such field, and fields are so jumbled up. If I want to make some discussion or decision, then we have to categorize. I just didn't mention this thing. One thing, when you have a categorical variable, we can separate it with a particular command get dummies. We have different type of things. But since that particular data is not very clean, because fields were not very properly filled up, that is why it is very difficult to analysis with this categorical variable. We have to see, we have to clean, we have to change all the data properly so that we can take a decision. And one person also mentioned that when he tried to fill up the Google form, he couldn't give the international phone number there. That was not registered. We have to give in later. That was one problem. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Should I stop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. It's a real product of this workshop.